Today, we're leveling up our UI kit by crafting a sleek, modern button overlay. We're going for a crisscrossed circles aesthetic that feels both geometric and fluid. Let's dive into the build. First, let's establish our base. We want a clean, curved container for this button. Go into your shape settings and set the corner radius to exactly 29 points. This creates that specific soft-edged curvature that makes the element feel approachable and modern. Now for the centerpiece, we're layering 2 circles to create that signature overlap effect. The bottom layer, place your first circle and set the fill to pure color of your theme and stroke color to black. Here's the secret sauce. To get that blended look, where the text feel integrated rather than just stacked, select that top white circle and drop the transparency to 50%.